How to disable the control center from your lock screen on your iPhone. This is a great way to enhance your privacy and prevent accidental access. Let's jump right in. First off, let's quickly go over what the control center is. It gives you quick access to essential settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more, but when it's accessible from the lock screen, it can sometimes lead to unintentional changes. To disable this feature, you'll need to dive into your settings. So grab your iPhone and let's get started. After you've opened the settings app, depending on your model, look for either Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode. Now tap on it to access the passcode settings. Now here you'll see a list of options under Allow access when locked. Look for Control Center, simply toggle it off. Like this. If it is like this, then simply tap on it, and that's it. You've successfully disabled the control center from your lock screen. To make sure it's working, lock your iPhone and swipe down from the upper right corner. You should see that it no longer opens.